Rusky, Danny, Rusky, taking me for a lap around Nordschleife, tourist day. Never been with Danny, never been in this BMW. Steering with his leg, fucking hell, that's a sign of a professional, confident driver. Jesus Christ, I can't. Insanity. I have no idea why it has so much grip, but fuck me, I thought my Clio was fast in corners. I guess I'm really not pushing it at all. This is just fucking sublime. Sometimes it takes a corner, I'm like, it's gonna go, but no, it fucking grips. Fuck me. You know how bad of a passenger I am, but this man can surely fucking pedal. Oof, let's go back to the lab. I usually get really sick. I don't have time to get sick in here. I don't even feel it's crazy. It's sublime. I'm beyond surprised how well this car handles corners. I'm not even talking about Danny's ability to drive. He can fucking pedal, but it's crazy. It's like grip, but at the same time it has enough sort of slip that it kind of just goes, and rotation is just fucking insane. I'll need to ask him what tires he runs. I have a feeling he runs the 052s. Because it's a tourist day, sometimes when we have other cars not paying attention to the mirrors, because we probably appear like bloody dot to them. Anyways, enough chit chat, let's go back to the lab. party pooper, wasn't he? Move over! Starting to feel a little bit sick. I mean, determination on that man's face. Fucking hell, he's pushing it so hard. I mean, he did. I asked him today, how was your day? Because he was on the track day as well. He said, oh, I had like 60 laps or whatever. What's your best? 7:24. I wasn't fast. It wasn't like easy. Like 7:24. Yeah. So I don't know how fast this is going to be, but. I mean, according to the recording, it's just over whatever. Oh. What fuck, mate? Hello. That's fucking insanity, honestly. I did not expect this. No? I did not expect such a car to be so fast, as in all just whatever, you know. You don't even have a full cage. It's not even a proper full race car. It's stock gearbox, right? Yeah. Yeah. I've got a bit of different stuff, but it's insanity how well it handles the speeds. I mean, obviously, experience speaks for itself. Yeah. You've done a lot of laps here, I can tell. Like 500 now or something. Yeah, it's yeah, some corners you just lunge into them, and I'm like, what? I'll be on the brakes, but you clearly know where it goes, so you throw it in there. And experience, that's why Pinderwagen, after his 5,000 laps, managed 658. Experience at the ring is absolutely everything. Wow. Anyways, this was an experience, 100%. Thank you, Danny. No problem. Appreciate it, mate. Subscribe for more.